पवन स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र
He looks handsome. I never thought he looked so good in South Indian outfit. Though he's actually South Indian, but yeah, I'm appreciative.
You also look nice.
മൺചിരാതിന്റെ ചുണ്ടിലേറുന്നതാരെ കണ്ടാവോ
What was the thing that felt that okay, she is the one or he is the one?
Her family. Yeah. That was the first selling point. Second one was, yeah, like, she actually listens. When we argue, she actually listens to my points. And I was like, that's something new. And I said this to my friends and he was like, yeah, she's the one.
You are going to get married right now, and then you will be Mr. and Mrs.
Yes.
So what is the feeling right now?
I'm happy, I'm excited about my own marriage.
പെണ്ണേ